The sex trafficking conviction of Ghislaine Maxwell faces a new challenge this morning. Maxwell's attorneys say they are seeking a new trial after a juror gave media interviews where he said that he himself was a victim of sexual abuse. Another juror later made a similar statement. Now, last week, Jeffrey Epstein's former girlfriend was found guilty on 5 different charges. Mola Lenghi explains why the juror's actions could now be a big problem.
Ghislaine Maxwell's sex trafficking conviction is now anything but done. New doubts about whether her trial was fair over comments by jurors. In recent media interviews, 2 jurors say that sometime during the 5 days of deliberations, they revealed that they themselves were sexually abused in the past. Former prosecutor Moira Penza.
That juror could face criminal penalties if it was found that he purposely misled the court. That would absolutely be grounds for a new trial.
At issue is whether or not the disclosures were made during jury selection. Before the trial, potential jurors were asked to fill out this questionnaire, including this question: have you ever been the victim of sexual assault? One juror, using only his first and middle names, Scotty David, told Reuters he can't remember if he disclosed his own claims of sex abuse, saying he flew through the initial questionnaire. He told Reuters he would have answered the questions honestly. Prosecutors told the judge overseeing the trial the statements merit attention by the court. Maxwell's lawyers then told the judge she can and should order a new trial. A separate juror told the New York Times they spoke of their own sexual abuse during deliberations, which the paper says appeared to help shape the jury's discussions.
Anyone would say that having to retry a case would be a benefit to the defense. They will have seen how the prosecution has already tried their case.
For CBS Mornings, I'm Mola Lenghi.
It's a very interesting turn. The juror known as Scotty David is now represented by a lawyer appointed by the court. We've reached out to that attorney for comment. We've not heard back. The judges set dates where both sides could request a new trial, asking them to address whether an inquiry into the matter is permitted or even required.
My thoughts are with those survivors who might have to relive that trauma.
Let's not forget that. You're right. Yeah.